Hello friends, welcome to Kids Foundation. Today we are going to do an activity, leaf pasting activity, and we are going to make a fish out of it. Okay, so first of all we will need a plain paper. I am going to color this with a blue crayon. You can use watercolor also. For now I am using a blue crayon and you have to color it. You have to make a waves out of it. So do it this way so you can see waves of water. So now here I am ready with the water part. I have made water. Now it's time to stick the leaves. Now I have two leaves with me. One is big and one is small. So now I have also drawn a V shape. So we have to cut it in the V shape to make it look like the mouth of the fish. So now let's cut it. So here I'm cutting it now. Now the bigger one is ready. Now I'll take the smaller one and I'll cut it in the V shape to make it look like the fish's mouth. So this is going to get ready now. Yes, both the fishes are ready with their mouth. Now let's stick them first. I'm sticking them first. Yes, now it's sticking. Yeah. Now I'll stick the small one. Yeah. Now the time to stick their tail and wings. I have small leaves with me to make their tail and wings. These are the small leaves with me. I have taken curry leaves here. Yes, these are curry leaves. I'm sticking them to make their tail and wing. So now the big fish is ready with the tail and the wing. Now it's time to make the small fish ready. This, yes, now I'm sticking the tail and now making the wings ready. Okay, both the fishes are ready with their wings and tails. Now time to stick the eye. I have taken a googly eye over here. You can do with any other option also. You can make a circle of white paper and draw a black eye in that. Here I have done an easy job by sticking a googly eye. Aren't the fish looking so beautiful? Yes. Now I will make some bubbles for the fish. Here I am making bubbles for the fish. How beautiful they are looking. Now I am going to stick some grasses over here. I had got a grass over here. So I am going to stick it to make it look more attractive and more beautiful. So this way stick all the grasses. Yes, it is looking beautiful, isn't it? Now I have got some colorful leaves. I'm going to cut them. See, I have already cut it. Now I'm going to make pebbles. I'll stick these pebbles. I'll apply Fevicol on each of the pebble and I'll stick it. So now this is the final outcome of our leaf pasting activity, making fish. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.